Well, if you're looking to start a podcast or already have one, there's some new technology you might want to check out that could enhance your overall sound and quality.
NBC5's Charlie Wojciechowski has more in this morning's Tech Trends.
Good morning and welcome to Tech Trends. I'm Art Norman. That's Charlie Wojo in the house. Good morning, Charlie.
Good morning, Arthur. We are joined by Nekia and Nichelle this morning, an old friend of Tech Trends and one who's branching out into a lot of her own technology these days. Thanks for being here, Nekia.
Thanks for having me.
Let's start out with what you got there. What do I see on the table?
Well, one of my must-haves for this year is wearable tech. It's called Relief Band. So it's an FDA-cleared wearable device that gently stimulates the median nerve to alleviate nausea and prevent vomiting.
You just started a podcast, very popular item on your calendar. What's that about?
Yeah, so, I started a podcast and people are starting podcasts like crazy. Tens of millions of people either are streaming games, they're listening to podcasts, or they are doing a podcast. So Beacon Mic is the perfect for people that are content creators and love good quality audio because it is so essential for success or doing any kind of live content on the internet.
You're going to have more than two people in these podcasts. You're going to need to mix that audio somehow. How do you do that?
So 810, their UC8000 is what you want to take your podcast audio to the next level. The 810 UC8000 Podcast AI audio mixer is the excellent choice for beginner podcasters with customizable sound effects through the Jingle Pad 24 voice effects it has, adjustable programs, smart EQ technology, and auto ducking. This mixer can significantly improve the overall quality of your podcast sound. And I love that because you want a rich sound when you have a podcast.
One more thing for us. Tell us what that is.
Yes, that's right. So apps, I am such an app addict. So Hypespace is a challenge-based content platform that offers the chance to win prizes from video submissions while also ensuring the safety of its online communities with human-vetted moderators. It encourages creativity and self-expression through content creation, making it an engaging platform for all ages to harness the power of viral online challenges. So it's perfect for those that want to do some challenges. I highly recommend it. And all these products can be found on my website, justinlife.com. That's my new website.
Justinlife.com.
Yeah. Yes. And N like the letter N, not I-N, but N like my name, Nekia.
Okay. Thank you very much. We'll have links to everything you just talked about. It'll be on our website and we're real easy to find. NBCchicago.com/Tech Trends. Charlie?
That's really cool stuff, Arthur, and congratulations, Nekia, on the podcast. We'll be looking for that wherever we can find podcasts. For Art Norman, I'm Charlie Wojciechowski, and we'll see you right back here next time.